Hello. Hello NIIFT. Good to see you guys here. Designers, the futures of design in India. I declare this fashion event open with 3 cheers to the students, to the faculty, the mentors, everyone who's made this a success. So here we go. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Before we start with the design collection, I would like to acknowledge the painstaking continuous efforts by the mentors who gained the designers for the past 6 months to make these design collections a success. These mentors are Dr. Poonam Agarwal, Dr. Simrita Singh, Ms. Deepti Sharma, Ms. Navdeep Singh, Mr. Govind Rai.
We would start with the design collections made by the designers of Fashion Design Department. Are you all excited?